Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 Airtel challenge. So once you are in, you can see this dashboard, and you can see on the left side you have a new session, playbook, my work, project, and AI studio. So go to session, new session, write a professional email asking for partnership collaboration, and then hit enter. Now you can see we got email draft in just few seconds. And if you want to adjust the tone or make any change, you can just type here. Again, I'll go to new session and type write blog outline about AI tool for startup and hit enter. Now you can see it did some research and prepared the blog post, and you just click on preview button to see, and you can see how well structured the blog post. So first, what exactly does your startup offer, what's your target audience, and what's your unique value proposition or main vibe, all beginner dreamers, and the third for beginner and community focus, and hit enter again. And after finish this, you can see the page draft is ready, and you just click on preview button and see how it looks like. So we have a hero section, social proof trust bar, then feature section, community section. You also have CTA button, testimonials, and final call to action in footer. So for example, in hero section, the headline should be your first step into fitness supported by friends. Just simple workout, clear guidance, and community sharing on. In CTA button, start your free journey today. And in security CTA button, see how it works. Similarly, you can read other section as well. And the last I want to talk about is that we can manage everything. So we can, like, you can set your personal voice, connect with other application like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Calendar, and so many others. You can also manage your work by going to my work page. You can see your project here. It also offers AI studio, and it can also help you to build a playbook. So honestly, it has so much to offer. So give a try for yourself and let me know what you think. And I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.